Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. See what we're going through. Welcome to a vlog. So guys, in this one I'm just gonna be taking you guys along in my day, doing my daily activities. I just got out of the shower right now and I'm starving. Okay, so right now I want to go to breakfast, and later in the evening, okay, come in, come. And then later in the evening, we'll go to the mall. I have a shoe that I got that I want to go exchange because the size I took a wrong size. So I have to go exchange to take a smaller size. So yeah, we're gonna do that in the evening. If you hear me sniffing all the time, you know I have flu and it's really, really bad. You know that the beginning of flu is what I have now, and it keeps dripping, doesn't stop. So I'm just gonna go now. Lila is making for me ginger tea. We have ginger, cinnamon and honey mixed together. I'm gonna take that to see if I can help me to reduce this flow. So let's move to the kitchen. Let's see what Lila is doing. Lila is the one doing our breakfast. Okay, our breakfast, what we use is our things I just showed you guys, and we use cream milk. You can use any kind of milk of your choice, and then we use yogurt. You can definitely use any yogurt too, like using this one. Has a raspberry and blackberry flavor. Then we have blueberries right here. We have black grapes, and we have the green grapes. So I'm just going to put all of these in this bowl right here. I add our things, and then I put the cream and the yogurt. Well, this is a mixture of all the fruits. I'm just going to wash this right now, and then I cut them into small pieces. So now that I have these fruits washed nice and clean, I'm just going to slice them into small pieces in this other plate right here. Lila is cutting the fruits. So guys, we are making this cinnamon tea right here. This is ginger, cinnamon. Yeah, it's for my health because I have flu. Okay, this is cinnamon, ginger, and I'm just going to add honey inside. Lila said this is very nice for my health, so I'm gonna take it.
Give me a spoon.
Wait. How do I find a spoon now? Ooh, now she's adding the yogurt. Excuse me.
You know what?
Huh. Speak.
I'm going to put milk here.
Then what?
Oh my god. I don't know. So I don't throw my milk.
Then you kukuta?
Because
then you kukuta.
the small amount of yogurt remaining, you throw it.
You don't want to throw your yogurt.
Yeah.
So now she's putting the mixture of the milk and everything in the fruit and the yogurt.
Now it's clean.
In this breakfast, we don't put no additional sugar. Okay, put that in mind because all these things are already sweet, so no need to put additional sugar, except if you are someone who really loves extremely sweet stuff. Ooh. Put the things now. Show what it looks like. So guys, I think that when you're doing this, you have to put little so that when it stays in the what is the English? I don't know what to say.
Because when it stays longer,
yeah, it becomes soft and
like what
it becomes much. Class, so this is what the final breakfast looks like. This is the final look of everything. It's very delicious and very healthy. Move.
oh, you shush me.
Let me go and enjoy my breakfast and then I'll catch you all when I'm done, okay? We are heading over to the park. How am I talking like this? We're heading over to the park in our community. This is a village community.
I said nothing.
We are heading to the park here in the local community. We are tired of staying at home, yo. So we said, let's go stroll in the park. I don't want to go where there's so much crowd. I just hope that there's not so much crowd. There's not too much crowd there today. Anyway, I'll see you when we get there.
Let's go there.
Cool!
No.
How will I take the video if I'm walking with you?
No, you're not taking me. I want to enter there. You see only boys.
Guys, we are here. That's the basketball court. There we have like a gym. Something going on over there. Yeah. Tennis. And then, I don't know where exactly we're going to sit.
If I enter there, you're like, what?
Where? The
Where is she
basketball.
going?
The basketball court. Where are we going to sit? Let's go inside.
Yeah, inside.
I feel so lazy and tired. And I look sleepy.
Book us thing to go right.
Oh, what better lighting this way? Oh, go away. There's no light there.
There is.
Why did you not put chairs here?
What you like?
Put mine. Do you have yours?
I have.
Okay, we'll go sit right there. See? That chair. That last chair. How can we walk inside here when there's water?
Shower.
You guys see that?
It will come
We
this
want
way
to
then.
go sit over there. Over that chair, right? I don't know if you
We
can
have
see
to
that.
pass the shower.
I want to go see. Look at my finger. Where is my finger?
Water is coming. The water is coming.
How do we skip this water? What? Is it following us?
I'll show you.
Oh my god.
You run, eh?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. See where we're going to are taking our seats. I don't want to go there again. The seat we're planning to go take, someone else took it because of her. She's slow.
I'm slow.
I told her let's run and go there, but
slow.
she's just contemplating.
I'm not
Let's go
slow.
like this. Let's
You're
go like
slow.
that. And now someone went and sat there.
There, people are going. Now we
What
go
did these
again.
people? What did these people go there?
Okay, the water's gone. Watch out, eh? You're sleeping. You can teleza. You're not teleza.
This water. Why did it stop? This
It's
people are going
time
there.
to stop.
These people are going there. I know they are going there. You see, you cannot run. What if they came here?
You're not coming here.
What if they came before us?
Just sit.
This girl.
Look, there's water. You just sit.
I don't care. There's no water here. Those girls were sitting. How were those girls sitting? Wow, the view is so beautiful. I've not really had time to come out like this. I've never had time to like come out like this and see the park in the afternoon. It's really nice. You speak. Why are you laughing? See.
I don't want to say anything. There was a day, there was so much rain, you know, in my country. Actually, in Mombasa. Okay. So much water everywhere. So there's this, like this park, but small. There's a place that water, so a lot of water inside. You know what we did with our childish idea? We took the paper bag, the black one. You know, there's black, blue, that one big one, yellow is the biggest.
You enter yourself.
No. So I took that bag. I cut that down. One, I put one leg, and this side also one leg. We were a lot of people. We were doing that, and that the handles we put here, one
Sorry,
here,
guys,
one
it's cool.
here. So that bag was like this in the middle, and then we went there. Swimming, free swimming, free swimming, like that.
So guys, we are just here sitting and watching the sun go down and watching people play tennis. Let's buy a racket and play one day.
How much is it?
I don't know, maybe 10. Playing over here, racket or something, I don't know. The tennis and the racket like that. The ball and the racket. But there's no thing. Where is the, what do they call it in English? In French they say filet. Something like that. That they play over.
Yeah.
The net. There's no net there. How they play it?
Oh my god, that is the table one, and that is basketball.
No, table tennis is different.
But this you can play like that. You have to be far. No problem.
Yeah, but there's supposed to be something like a big thing in the middle that you have to go over.
Yeah.
I push you. So here guys, we are going to the Dubai Mall. We want to go return a shoe which I got and doesn't fit me properly. So yeah, fall. I always fall on that thing. I say hi to Layla. Hi. So lost, we are in the mall now and we're trying to spot the Aldo shop so that I can be able to exchange the shoes I got from them. I feel like we missed our way. This place is so big and we're just going round and round and round. Anyway, see you guys when we get in the shop. If at all, they'll let us film inside. Hi guys, it's the next day. So y'all, today I want to show you all the shoe. I'm very excited for this unboxing because I really love the shoe. Yesterday I went to exchange the size because the size I previously got was big, so I had to go exchange to get a smaller size. So that's why we're at the mall. And hey guys, so this is the bag. Very big bag, yo. Very big bag for just one shoe. This is the bag it comes inside. It says Aldo. Very cute. And inside it comes again with another box like this. I guess this is how it opens up. Just open it like this. This is what it looks like from the inside. I don't know if y'all can see that. So let me take out the shoes from the box. This is what this beautiful shoe is looking like. Very classy, sleek, elegant. I love the heel. It's not so tall. It's very flattering and sophisticated. I love everything about the shoe. And I chose the white because I have a lot of cream shoes. I don't know if you all noticed that. I have a lot of nude shoes, the browns like that. So I said, okay, let me take like white because I didn't want a black one. So this is the shoe. Very beautiful. And this is in the size US size 6.5. I think I should have taken this size when I was buying my Shein, that shoe I got from Shein. If you haven't watched that video, go watch it right now because I got also a very nice pair of slipper shoe from Shein, but it was kind of small. So yeah, I should have taken a US size 6.5, but for that shoe I took a US size 6. So I think it's US size 6.5 is my actual real size. But in Europe size 37, obviously I know it is my size, but when you're buying things from online, they don't show Euro size, it's only US sizes and UK size. So I think that's why I got confused for the sizing with the Shein pair of shoe. But yeah guys, this is this shoe. Isn't that cute? Cute, right? So yeah guys, I know I look rough. I always look rough when I am at home, y'all. So yeah guys, this is the shoe I wanted to show you guys. I really love it. And also, before I forget, I got the cleaner. I got the cleaner still from Aldo. This is what it looks like. It said smooth leather cleaner. It's meant to clean just a white shoe. So when I got the shoe, the lady was like, I should get the cleaner because it's gonna help go a long way when I want to clean the shoe, because it's white and this will help me a lot to clean it. So yeah guys, that's that about this unboxing. Hope you love the shoe as much as I like it. So yeah, hey guys, welcome to today. It's the next day and we are in the kitchen again. We are doing grilled fish. That's the dinner for tonight. Let me show you guys what it looks like in the oven. See that? You see that chicken? And I keep saying chicken. You see that fish grilling over there? We have the fish on the top and we have potato at the bottom. And then here, we're just doing some fried plantains to go with everything. So yeah guys, sorry I did not involve you guys inside when I was doing the marinating of the fish and everything. But our friend here, oh my god, and parcel of everything. She's the chef, Chef Leila. Remove it now, it's getting burnt. This is a fish straight out of the oven. It looks so delicious and scrunchy. Yo, forgive me, I didn't show you all the recipe of how we did all the spicing and everything. But see, my friend Leila here was impatient. Oh my god. Because she was already eating the fish in the oven. See this dog? She got burnt. See? And she got burnt. Look at her. She got burnt because she was trying to eat from the oven. So guys, I'm gonna leave y'all here while I devour my food. This is so nice, y'all. So I'm literally eating on the bed. Bad habit. Let me figure out what my food looks like, huh? Sorry guys, I'm talking my mouth full. I have my fish right here. Some potato. This is hot sauce, mayonnaise, plantains. So yeah. So I'll leave you guys here while I finish my food. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And until then, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.